Hello everyone, this is Indra with you and you guys watching Trading with Love. Cardano. What is it? History and how to buy. What is Cardano? Cardano is an open source public blockchain platform that boasts its own cryptocurrency tokens called ADA. The network will someday also support smart contracts, which are contracts that automatically execute their own terms or agreements. These elements of Cardano is still under construction, so it's not widely available for use yet. However, Cardano prides itself on having some very bright minds working on its system, with scientists from universities like the University of Edinburgh and Tokyo Institute of Technology helping out. Cardano Account Value Ledger is the Cardano settlement layer. This is the part of the blockchain platform that hosts ADA. Its purpose is to improve on some of the scaling issues that exist with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other first and second generation cryptocurrency. It's also separately paired with the Cardano computation layer, which allows users to customize the rules of its transaction individually. How to buy Cardano? While Cardano is a blockchain cryptocurrency network, you cannot actually buy Cardano itself. Instead, you will need to buy ADA or ADA, the cryptocurrency token Cardano issues. While many see the main draw of Cardano is a platform that supports smart contracts, buying ADA can mean you make money if you anticipate the value of Cardano to increase in the future. ADA is available in the most major cryptocurrency exchange, including Binance, Upbit, Huobi Global. It currently trades around $3 per token and has quickly become a popular option for traders. Cardano history. Development of the Cardano platform began in 2015. Though it was not until 2017 that it's finally launched, Charles Hoskinson is the founder of Cardano. Having previously served as a co-founder of Ethereum, Hoskinson left Ethereum and co-founded a blockchain engineering company known as IOHK. Cardano has a supply limit of 45 billion ADA. Though it's not clear if that number may change in the future, it's also unclear how that number will relate to the arm of the platform that will eventually support smart contracts. The value of ADA has historically been just as volatile as most other cryptocurrencies. And just like other crypto platforms, it's more speculative, making it not a particular safe investment. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Happy trading. Alright, thank you for watching and I hope this video gives you more information and knowledge. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share it to your social platform and see you again in the next video. Ciao!